despite the attacks, despite
Danny said something.
the killing that happened in Bel Air.
Danny said something interesting.
Zeke.
Danny said something interesting about Iska. Iska's a smart guy. And T. Gabriel's guys raped and killed his mother. And he hasn't forgiven anyone since. And that's what I'm saying. Like, there can be no change as long as any of these guys are still in place. Because Iska and his guys, let me tell you guys a story. I've been in Haiti for 32 years. My whole life consumed by it. I have a good friend. He lives in the States now, but he was a former Haitian policeman. And he was a top dog at what he did. He was really good. And he told me, Zeke, I killed so many of these gangsters and bandits over the years that when I would come back to the States after a few weeks and a few months, I couldn't wait to go back to Haiti to kill some more. You're living in a dog-eat-dog society. The country, I don't know any place like the country of Haiti on planet Earth. Haitian men are proud, they have egos, and when you're a chief in Haiti, you do whatever the fuck you want. These guys, you'd be surprised how many Haitians from day to day that you see in the street are killers. You wouldn't even have any idea. And a lot of these Haitian policemen, they are killers, and they enjoy it, right? So this is what I'm saying. The whole population looks at these gang members in places like Cité Soleil and Village des Dieux and wherever the hell they live. And they throw all the heat on them. These kids are born and raised in these ghettos with no hope, with nothing. They have no fathers. So they join gangs and there's no way out of these places. And they have these oligarchs and politicians and police in higher places that have money that are corrupt. And they manipulate these kids. And back in the day when Aristide used to give them guns to defend La Valasse, to gérer bagay politique, you know, to handle his political situation.
So you say
these guys they're taking too much of the blame. Again, nothing in Haiti is going to happen while these oligarchs and politicians are able to go free. And the Haitian people know where they live. So my problem with the mass of Haitians is they're a bunch of fucking Susu Restaveks. They're a bunch of Restaveks. The modern day Haitian is a Restavek. And li remen blanc, li bezen rete ak blanc, rete amba blanc. They love the white people, but they hate their own. They hate themselves. They hate their own countrymen. And it's never going to end until something changes that. So tonight, this is what I'm going to say. I'm going to tell all you diaspora around the world, I have some guys I've been working with in the diaspora community. And we are getting together, lots of men. And we're going home to Haiti to enter this fight. We're going together. And so if you're a diaspora and you're a leader and you're not a fucking pussy and you got some heart and you want your country back, you want to go back to Haiti, you want your kids to see your homeland, join with us. You know where to find me. I'm not hard to find. You all can find me. You want to be involved with it? Come
Zeke,
talk to me. But I'm saying this, Valerio, the oligarchs, the politicians,
okay. Nous comprenons et nous senti énervement. We can feel it, and of course, I mean,
Valerio, they make me cry. They ripped my heart out by tip.
I understand you. I understand you. Well, the Haitian people they've been crying in Haiti. Trust me. Even us in the diaspora, we've been crying and we're tired. That's actually what the expression of Bwa Kayiman is becoming now. We are tired. We are really tired, and we got to do something about it. So let's excuse the audience because you know our friend Zeke. Zeke fâché là.
Opération Bwa Kayiman 2023. Alligator forest in their asses.
All right, but I'd like to excuse my audience for the French that Zeke is using.